Hey, welcome back to another Bartender Sessions at Brass Hall. We've been doing a lot of these videos and we appreciate all the likes. Hit us up on socials, find all the videos. Mark is an awesome guy. He's literally made some art here. I'm gonna be doing something a little outside the box, a traditional cocktail called the Gimlet, comprised of gin, lime, simple syrup, but I'm gonna give it a mint twist. Just something I enjoy for the summertime. So I'm gonna start with the martini glass. I want it cold, so I start by simply adding ice and letting it chill for a minute. First step. Now, a lengthy step in this whole thing is making the mint that I use for it. I take actual fresh mint leaf and I muddle it down with a little bit of sugar and ice until I get this. Now this is a simple syrup, more or less, made out of mint. I also used a little bitters to also express the oils out of the mint leaf as well. So it gave it a little bit of a brownish hue, which is gonna kind of pair nicely with the cocktail we're making. I'm gonna hold that off to the side. That's just a little mixture. Now I'm gonna be using my mixing glass on this one because there's no need to shake. Honestly, with the lime juice, it kind of makes a froth that gets a little unsavory in the cocktail. So I prefer to stir this cocktail. Others would argue, but this is just how I do it. And I'm making my own, leave me alone. Now, I take this and zest the lime before I do anything else. Just typical zester, run it across and get some hair. All I need. I'll be taking about 1 ounce of my simple syrup. Let me bring this up into the light. Move this off to the side. So I'll be using 1 ounce of my simple syrup. I'll be adding 1 whole ounce of some prepared lime juice. I'm gonna take this mint now, and I'm only using a portion of it, only about a 1/4 ounce. Mint goes a very long way. Now, the coup de grace. I'm using Iron Wolf's gin, which is very subtle. It doesn't really put the juniper notes forward, which is kind of nice because sometimes that can be a little overpowering, and I'm adding another botanical in here. Let's focus on that. I'm gonna take this and stir briskly. And while this is stirring, I'll prepare the glass with a sugar lip. Look at the condensation on that. That's how you know you've successfully chilled a glass. Put ice in it, forget about it. And the idea is not to break the bubble. You don't want to make too many splashes. You just go in a circular motion around the outside and let the ice do the work for you. Alrighty. Now mind you, I'm gonna be doing this like coffee through the mint extract that I already have inside my strainer, because I've still got the zest in here, but I still want some more mint, but just a different way. Call this a final touch. Excellent. And I'm going to garnish that, just a little bit of a mint lip. And here we go. A new spin on a cocktail, prepared for summertime.